In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use products in Pipedrive, 5 minutes. The products feature in Pipedrive lets you keep a clean, reusable catalog of what you sell, so your pricing stays consistent across deals and quotes. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the feature enabled and a product added to your catalog. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Make sure you have the right permissions to access account settings. If you're not an admin, you may need someone with higher access to enable features for your company. Once you're in, head to your profile menu in the top right corner. This is where you can access the broader toolbox of settings and integrations that control how Pipedrive works for your team. From that menu, open Tools and Apps. This area centralizes optional features you can turn on and configure. It's a good place to remember for future enhancements, but today we're focusing on products. Find and select products. This will take you to the features setup page. If products isn't active yet, enable it here. While you're on this page, take a moment to review the available settings. Choose the default currency you sell in, confirm how taxes are handled in your region, and check any units of measure your team prefers, like hours, licenses, or pieces. These defaults help keep items consistent when different teammates add products to deals. With the feature enabled, look for the product icon in the main navigation to open your catalog. This is where all your items will live. If the catalog is empty, we'll add your first product now. Click Add Product. In the product form, enter a clear, recognizable name so teammates know exactly what they're selecting. Add the price and assign a category that matches how you organize your offerings, such as services, hardware, or subscriptions. Categories make filtering and reporting much easier later on. If you see fields for SKU or product code, use them to match your internal tracking. You can also add a short description to clarify what's included, set the correct currency if it differs from your default, and if available, choose a unit like per month, per user, or per item. Keep the description concise and standardized so quotes look professional. When everything looks good, click Save. Your product is now in your catalog and ready to be added to deals and quotes, keeping pricing accurate and consistent. That's it. You've enabled products, opened your catalog, created a product with key details, and saved it for reuse. Keep building your catalog with the same structure, and you'll speed up your pipeline while reducing errors. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.